Hello and welcome to First Secrets. If you want to make some income, or you want to increase your revenue, or you want to make more money, there is very simple exercise you can do in order to achieve your objective. While doing the exercise, go and follow these steps, and within the 2 or 3 or 4 months, you come back and assess the situation and see how you are doing. What is that short exercise? That is, go and make 3 columns. In the first column, list all the skills that you are able to carry out or to execute. This list can include skills that you master and the skills that you need some kind of mastering, and even the skills that you are not good at them. For example, you can list such as video editing, affiliate marketing, sales, marketing, social media management, artificial intelligence, and whatever skills that you have, you can list in that column. Because the skills that you list there are problems associated to those skills. When you listed all the skills that you have, then we go to the second column, and that column is the problem column. List all the problems that you can solve using those skills that you have. For example, if you listed a skill of cooking, and there is a problem of the people who want to cook, but they do not have time in order to cook that. So in that case, you can cook for them because they do not have time. And the video editing skills, you can help those people who have problems with their Facebook accounts or with their Instagram accounts, or they want to create YouTube video content. You can help them. So you go and list all the problems under the column problems. The problems that you can solve using your skills. And in the third column, go and find those people who are ready to pay so that their problems can be solved. The problems that you can solve using the skills that you have. And if you find a pool of people with a deep problem that hurts a lot, and they are ready to pay their money so that you can solve those problems, then you can make a lot of money. And if you make a reverse engineering, if you find a group of people with a big problem and deep pockets, and they are ready to pay so that their problems can be solved, you can make a lot of money. And don't tell me that you do not have skills that can solve the problems of those people with deep pockets who are ready to pay you money. Go and learn those skills. You need to have a solving mindset. You need to have a mindset that can solve the problems of others. And if you add the mindset with the skill set in order to solve the problems of those people who have deep pockets, you can make a lot of money. If you get value out of this video, don't forget to like it and also share with your friends. And if you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel. And this is Amadou Enigwe.